HTML formatting elements. HTML formatting elements means we can format the elements were designed to display special type of text. Formatting elements were designed to display a special type of text. So here we have number of formatting elements. First one is bold type text. To specify bold text, use element, okay, B element, and italic text format. This is first one, and second one, italic text. To display italic text format, use I tag, okay, starting tag, ending tag. So between this starting tag, ending tag, we have to specify the text. Okay, example text. So this text will be displayed in italic text format. And third one, marker text. So marker text format is used to highlight the text. Use mark element. Next, fourth one, small. To display small text, use small element. And fifth one, deleted text. To display deleted text format, use del element. Next, sixth one, subscript and superscripts. Subscript and superscript. Okay, so I will show the examples for all this. So open Notepad and write our HTML elements. So first element is doc type HTML, and after that HTML tag. Okay, between these two, starting tag, ending tag. So we can add header content and body content. Header section, next body. in body tag we have to specify the HTML elements. So save this notepad as HTML attributes, HTML format elements dot HTML. Okay, save this notepad with the dot HTML extension. Okay, so here so first of all, first element B tag. To display bold type text format, use B tag. Okay. For example, take one paragraph element. This is my example content. Okay, my example content. So if you run this example, normal paragraph text will be displayed. Okay, normal text is displayed. So to display bold type text format, so use B tag in starting of content and end of the content. Okay, save this and refresh. Okay, so paragraph is displaying in bold text. Otherwise, if you want to display only some word in bold type, use B tag for that word only. Okay, so example text, only this word is displaying in bold type. Next, italic text format. To display italic text format text content, use I tag italic text format. Okay, save this and refresh this example. So this content is displaying in italic text format, and first paragraph is displaying in example word, only this word is displaying in bold type. Next, marker text. If you want to highlight any one of word in the paragraph, use mark element. So for example, take one paragraph this is my example content. Okay, so this is content in paragraph. If you want to highlight particular word, use mark element so that only example word is highlighted in this paragraph. Okay, so example word only is highlighted. Okay, mark element we have to use. And next, small element. So this small element is used to display uh, small text format. Okay, take one more paragraph. This example. example for small text format. Okay, so first of all, run this example. Okay, so normal paragraph is displaying. So if you want to display small text format in this paragraph, use small element, small, small, so that for small text it is displaying in small text format. Okay, so this is small text. And the next element is deleted text. So deleted text means apply overline on text. DL element will apply overline on text content. This example for deleted text format. Okay, deleted text format. So first of all, run this example. Okay, this example for deleted text format. So normal paragraph is displaying. So if you want to display the hover line for any one of the word, use del element, so that for this word only hover line is applied. Okay, so hover line is applied. So this is deleted text format. And next, subscript and superscript. Superscript 10 square, so to display like 10 square, 10 cube, like these words, use subscript and superscripts. Okay, so I want to display 10 square. Okay, 10 square. How we can display 10 square? So if you run this example, 10 2 is displaying. Okay, so I want to display 10 square. So use superscript. Okay, sup element, so that 2 is displaying in the square. Okay, so like this it will display. And the subscript also same. Sub element, okay, so it will display like this, these formats. So these are the formats to display text content in HTML forms. Okay, formatting elements were designed to display special type of text formats. So these are the special type of text formats. And next topic is HTML attributes. HTML attributes. So HTML elements can have attributes. HTML elements have attributes. Attributes are used to provide additional information about an element, about that about an element. So we can provide attributes like id attribute, name attribute, and class attribute, and style attribute, height. All these are attributes for HTML elements. And next href attribute, and source attribute, and type attribute. Okay, and type attribute. So like this, number of attributes available. Okay, so all these attributes are used to provide additional information for that particular HTML elements. Attributes are always specified in the starting tag only. So for example, if you want to display text box in our HTML form, so we can use input tag to display text, and type is the attribute for text box. Okay, text, and close this input tag, so that this element is used to display text box. Okay, so for example, to display paragraph in your HTML form, we can use p element. Example paragraph. Okay, so the attributes always specified in the starting tag only, so that if you want to apply class, okay, CSS class, we can use class attribute to specify CSS class, and id for paragraph also we can specify in the starting tag only. Okay, p1. So like this, we can specify attributes in the starting tag only. Okay, there is no attributes in any tag. Okay, attributes come in name and value pairs. Okay, name and value pairs means id is the name of the attribute, and p1 is the value of the attribute, and here class is the attribute name, and here we have to specify class value. So all these are attributes. And the next one is HTML comments. HTML comments are used to insert comments in the HTML code. Comments are used to insert comments. Okay, comments or description in HTML forms. Okay, HTML forms. So these comments are not displayed in the browser. Comments are not displayed in the browser, and these comments are used to explain our code And if you don't want to don't want to execute some block of code, okay, HTML code, so you can put that code in comments. Okay, you can put that code in comments. If you want to display that code also, you can remove the comments. So for example, comments are start with less than, not, and hyphen hyphen, and end with hyphen hyphen and greater than symbol. Okay, comment starting tag, ending tag. Okay, so this is the starting tag of comment and this is the ending tag of comment. So these comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, to explain our code to write the comments, one example for this comments. So for example, I don't want to display these two paragraphs, okay, italic and paragraph. So I don't want to display these two elements, so that I can put this in comment. Okay, so this is the ending tag of comment and this is the starting tag of comment, so that these two italic text and italic element and this paragraph will not display in the browser. So save this and run this example. Okay, so now you can check this in inspect. You see here first paragraph is displaying and the second two lines italic element and paragraph element, so both are in comments, okay, green text format. So these comments are not displayed in the browser and remaining paragraphs are displaying. Okay, if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that comment elements in comments. Okay, in future you can use, okay, by removing of comments. So otherwise, if you want to explain our code, like comment below elements, explain mm, HTML text formats. Okay, so this is the description of your code. So like this you can describe your code. So this comment is not displayed in the browser. Save this and run here. Okay, so you can put your comments also like this. Okay, so this is the comments in HTML. Okay, less than, not symbol, hyphen hyphen, and end of the tag hyphen hyphen greater than symbol. And next, HTML list items. HTML list items. So HTML list items are used to display list elements, list values, list elements are used to display list of values. Okay, list of values. So here in HTML we have two types of list elements. First one is ordered list, ordered list, ordered list OL tag. Okay, OL tag. And second one, unordered list, UL tag. Okay, UL. Okay, so these are the two list items available in HTML to display the list of items. Ordered list typically is a numbered list of items. Ordered list typically is a numbered list of items. List of items. And a type attribute can be added to the ordered list. Added to the ordered list. Okay, order list. So use OL element to define the order list. Use OL element to define order list. A order list. And type attribute take the values like type equal to digits, or type attribute takes caps A to Z, or type attribute accept small a to Z, and type attribute accept Roman numbers. Okay, lower Roman or upper Roman values. Roman values. Okay, type attribute accept all these values. Okay, syntax for order list. Use OL tag, OL starting tag, ending tag. Between these two starting tag and ending tag, okay, li element to display list of items. List item. Okay, item 1. So item 2. So like this and so on. So we can place number of list items here. So okay, this is the order list. Another list. UL tag defines an another list. UL tag defines an another list. Another list. and use ul tag together with the li tag to create another list. Okay, html style attribute to define the bullet styles. Okay, we have four types of list style types available. First one is disk, circle, square, and none. ul tag ul tag together with the li tag to create another list. And html style attribute to define the bullet styles. html style attribute to define the bullet styles. Okay, bullet styles. And we have four types of list style types. List style types. So that is, first one is disk, second one circle, third one square, and fourth one none. Okay, so these are the type attribute values. So syntax for another list. Syntax ul tag li element. Okay, li element specify list items. Okay, item 1. So like this, number of list items. So an example on list items. Okay, open notepad. So remove this, and just I want to display only list items. Okay, list items.html. OL tag order list. OL. So just I want to display cities, list of cities. LI. First one is Hyderabad. Second city Mumbai. Pune. Bangalore. Okay, so these are the list of cities names. So if you display this example, if you run this example, list items, okay, normal order list by default takes, okay, numbering, okay, numbering for list items. If you want to display Roman numbers or alphabetical order, alphabetical values, use type attribute and specify value here. If you want to display caps values, use caps A starting value, so that alphabetical values is applied. And if you want to display Roman numbers, okay, lower Roman or upper Roman, use small I. Okay, so to display Roman values, use small I. To display upper Roman values, use caps I in type attribute, so that upper Roman values is applied. Okay, so this is the order list, and another list is same values, okay, same values, but ul we have to change the element name ul, okay, another list. And here first of all we have to remove this, okay, ul tag, and refresh once this example. Okay, by default bullets is applied, okay, for another list, okay, without any styling. If we want to apply disk, circle, square, okay, use list style type, style attribute, style attribute, and list style type, and here disk. Okay, by default disk value is applied, but like this also we can apply list style type. Okay, and if you want to apply circle, okay, circle type, use list style type colon circle. Okay, circle is applied for list items. And circle and square, okay, square values, square list style type is applied. Okay, so this is the list style type. And finally none. Okay, if you use this value none, there is no list styles is applied for list items. Okay, only list empty list items are displayed, okay, without any style. So these are the list elements in HTML. And next, HTML controls. HTML controls. HTML controls like button control, and text box control. Okay, and file upload control, file upload and text area. Next, radio button list, radio button and a checkbox and a list box. And drop down list. Okay, drop down list. So these are the HTML controls. So first of all, HTML button. So using HTML buttons, we can submit data into the server. Using buttons, we can submit data into the server. Okay, so this is used for user actions. Okay, user actions means when user click on the button, we can save user information into the server. Okay, for user actions. So syntax for button, syntax. So we can specify buttons in two types. So first of all, we can use button element. Okay, button element and the type attribute equal to button and close. Okay, button and the tag. So here save button. Okay, this is the text for button. And second type is use input tag and type attribute equal to submit or button. Okay, button or submit we can use. Okay, button or submit we can use in type attribute only one, button or submit. And value is the button text. Okay, update. Okay, we can close this input tag. So these are the two ways to create buttons in HTML form. Okay, create on HTML form. Open Notepad. So remove this. Okay. controls.html. Input type equal to button and value equal to save, value equal save, and close this tag. So run this example. Controls. Okay, save button is displaying. So when user click on this button, we can save the data into the server. And one more type button type equal to button closing tag, and here update with text. So button text. Save this and refresh the example. Okay, save and button update, two buttons is displaying. Okay, two buttons are displaying. And if you want to display if you want to display text boxes, okay, text box. Okay, text box are user input data. User can enter input data. Text boxes are used to user input data. Okay, if you want to register in any website, you can enter your values into the text boxes and submit data into the server so that you can register under that any application. The user inputs and the syntax, input type equal to text and placeholder. So this is the identification name of text box, mobile number, and close this tag. Okay, so this is the text box. So copy this one and paste here. Okay, so that we can display text box with this identification name. So refresh this. Okay, so mobile number. So user can enter mobile number into this text box. Like this also, first name or last name. Okay, text placeholder, your first name and last name, mobile number, username. So like this we can create the text boxes, number of text boxes in HTML form. Okay, to display new lines, use br tag to display in next line. Okay, break element, br is the break element. Okay, so like this we can display button and text boxes. And next control is file upload control. So file upload control is used to upload or send files to the server. File upload control used to send or upload files into the server. Okay, to the server. So here, so file upload object represents an HTML input element with the type equal to file. Use HTML input tag with the type attribute file. Okay, file is the value. We use HTML input tag with the type equal to file attribute, so that display file upload control in HTML form. And the syntax for file upload control: input type equal to file, and type equal to file, and close this tag. Okay, so file upload control. So job seeker can upload resumes into the job portal, so by using file upload control. So save this example and run this and use br tag. Okay, so this is the choose file is the file upload control. So when you click on this button, choose file button, it will open dialog box. Okay, open dialog box, and you can select any file. Okay, doc file or images or any zip file, any files you can select and open here, so that it will display selected file name. And when you click on save button, so file is sent to the server. So we have to write some background logic, okay, server side logic to save the files into the server. Okay, developers can handle that one only.